102 and 104.
You okay? I didn't want to have to do that, you know, right?
102.
But you did have that warrant for robbery because you haven't spoke to your parole officer in quite some time, okay? So they're going to want... 83.
Great.
Out of this will be out at Mount Calvary. The individual that we were just dealing with, he's got a 50A for robbery. His ID number is 85098B as in Boston. We're gonna try to take him into custody.
Copy.
You got a warrant for robbery. Turn around.
Robbery?
Turn around. I'm not... Turn around.
I don't got no fucking robbery, man.
Yes, you do.
I don't got no fucking robbery, man.
Turn around.
I ain't robbed nobody, dude.
No,
Man, get the fuck away from me, man.
83, send us some other car.
Violation of nothing, man.
Everything was parked around about Calvary.
Man, I swear to God, bro. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God, bro. Get the fuck away from me, man. Get the fuck away from me, dude. Don't fight with them. Get the fuck away from me.
Taser, 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 now! Get on the ground now! Here's the cuffs. Here's the cuffs.
Taking a breeze, we're just going with us.
Man, look, I ain't even do nothing,
You
man.
have a warrant, sir.
Man, I didn't do nothing, man.
You have a warrant.
Why are you working for people, man? I didn't do nothing.
83.
Man, I didn't do nothing, man.
Great.
You shut anyone down at 60. You sent a medic for a taser deployment and a supervisor.
SAP copy.
I just checked. It said it was good. You have
I swear to God, I don't got no probation.
Roll on the side.
Man, I swear to God, man. I swear to God, man.
Listen.
I swear to God, man.
We already verified it. It's because you're your parole officer. Okay?
No. Yeah, stay down.
You're gonna, there you go.
You'd have a medic come out and check you out, okay?
They shut it down or not, really?
They didn't say shut it down yet.
They're good, you can shut it down. Everyone, we're here.
They shut down the 10-3.
Yeah, oh yeah, I just, you know what? No, he squared up on him, and I figured, well, you know what? Either a level 3 or a level 4, so I chose 3.
Hey, buddy, you want to get up off the ground where it's warm and dry? You don't want to sit there for right now? That's fine.
Yeah, we got to get the probes out of him anyway.
I'm just going to move him over here. All right.
Guys, the female is very angry about this.
We got a couple taser darts in that need to be removed.
Hey, partner, we're going to pull these out.
Ready?
150, we have in 153's run.
Oh, no, it's not paying attention.
We got the email. Everybody. It's like, Is the supervisor marking route or no?
Okay, good. We'll put some overtime.
what you did. I just opened the door. These are cartridges on your seat.
Appreciate it. All right.
A little dirty.
Yeah, have a seat.
I like that dude.
They get 102 and 104.
You okay? I didn't want to have to do that, you know, right?
102.
But you did have that warrant for robbery because you haven't spoke to your
Can I pull you?
parole officer in quite some time, okay? So they're going to want to talk to you about that. So you're not going to get charged with anything else but that, okay?
No big, no white,
All right.
black shirt.
Next time you just got to comply and listen, all right?